Hare Krishna again, all the devotees. I'm just trying to shoot an aerial view of our land, which is Shrivas 1 and 2, and we'll try to see what are the developments which are going in the surrounding areas. So this is where I'm standing right now is a very new construction which was not there when we visited last time. We are on the third floor of this building, and if you see, to get a better idea where we are, Jagannatharam Prabhu knows this building which is on the camera now, which was existing, which is known as okay, I don't know the name of the building apartment, but this apartment Nitai Priya apartment, which was existing before. So I'm just trying to shoot this entire view. This is a 4-floor apartment and plus the ground floor. And now I'm just trying to shoot our land. If you see the construction which is going on there, where you see all the scaffolding on the first floor, that is our neighboring flat for Shrivas 2, and the land, you can see a clear picture of the Shrivas 2, and I'll just go a little bit closer to shoot Shrivas 1. So the land here, if you see all the sand and all, this is the Shrivas 1, and its sun is straight into my eyes. I'll see if I can get a better picture of this. So this is a far view of one of the neighboring buildings, and that is the 6 feet road which is coming from the main road, and which is it will be our main access if we want to go to the main road. And this is one of the neighboring buildings which is recently it's under construction now. So if you can just have a look at this. So the main thing what we have to consider here, if you see this aerial view, if you see that the pavement over there, from there we are leaving 3 feet and we are starting our apartment. So 3 feet plus already 6 feet existing, it will be 9 feet. If you see the gap between Shrivas 1 and 2, this is already 6 feet, and we'll be leaving 3 and 3 feet on 1 and 2, so that becomes almost 12 feet access. So that is the main source of light and ventilation for Shrivas 1 as well as Shrivas 2 as well. And this view, if you see, okay, this is not a very clear picture, and this is Shrivas 1. Okay, that is again a neighboring land which belongs to one of the ladies. Okay, this is another building, and I'm not very good at taking pictures and videos. I do apologize if I'm not able to shoot it in a proper way where you can understand and get a clear picture of the site. So this is Shrivas 1 and 2 finally. Thank you.